Hey guys, so today I'll be showing y'all how I did the turmeric face mask. As you can see, I added Greek yogurt, turmeric, honey and lemon. Before cutting the lemon, I love rolling it back and forth because it makes it so easier to juice. So this is day one. I started off with a clean face.
Behind, still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the popo. Yeah. Remember when we did it for life? Was noticing all these frames got me trimming a knife. Always on some new thing like riding the bike. Let's do things in one setting, but I don't feel like selling for the time being. When I was young, I used to dream about the palm trees. After the summer achievements, I got a long sleeve. Supposedly, think about it. In reality, you running out of options. Starting to see the coffin with the Bible preach. I'm way ahead on a private beach. My hair bleached on the cover of
Turmeric can slow down hair growth or even stop it, so try to prevent getting your eyebrows and edges.
Trying to write me, I get the message now. I know they wanna wife me, and not to mention all the bruises. I just went through all the heat. I broke through all the edges like a right cheek. Yeah, I come and go like a rah-rah.
This is how it looked after 25 minutes. I only felt like 4 stings. It did not really irritate my skin, so that was great. I could have gone longer than 25 minutes. What I did was just wet my hand with some warm water, passed it onto my face, rubbed it in, and rinsed my hand, and went and did that over and over until I removed all the turmeric.
Whoa, we just running on our own now. Whoa, all these digits on my phone now. Working through the late night, that's just how it goes down. Oh wow, put in work, I guess we work it out. Almost summer and the money almost running out. All this running up and down, it's getting funny now. I do it for myself and all you ever did was run your mouth. Yeah, we at the spot, they be stunning now. They don't see the bigger picture, we be cutting now. All I'm saying is the man that I'm becoming. He gon' take the new edition and it twist it like a plumber now. Yeah.
I chose a white rag so you guys can really see after rinsing it with warm water, it could still leave some turmeric on your face. I would like you to pause the video and take a look at this. Saw something? Let me know in the comments below.
In the bag, the rubies in my lab, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm coming go like a rah-rah round, putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running from the popo, yeah, that's been my whole life, yeah. I come and go like a rah-rah round. They don't want the two be going on. I'm coming back with the money in the bag, the rubies in my lab, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round.
After day one, I really was thinking if I should do another day because I saw a huge difference, but just for you guys, I did up to 3 days. I couldn't go further because I thought I was getting too light.
Riding the bike, let's do things in one setting, but I don't feel like selling for the time being. When I was young, I used to dream about the palm trees. After the summer achievements, I got a long sleeve. Supposedly, think about it. In reality, you running out of options.
Every time when I look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time when I look up for me, like you say, bless, all like tires. Looking so surprised, surprised, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby girl rise on me. My little baby girl ride on me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah, oh.
Everything go from Maria, yeah, yeah. Sensibility, ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty girl like a Maria, Maria, yeah, yeah. Every time we meet up, every time be like, oh, Maria, Maria.
Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me.
She no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro, Kiliman, oh. Nah, she no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro. From Kilimanjaro.
My little baby girl rise on me. My little baby girl ride on me. Maria, 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 ah. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, ah, yeah, ah.
Everything go from Maria. Sensibility, ah, yeah.
Welcome to the third day when I decided to stop doing this face mask because it was working too well.
Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes.
So I washed my face the usual way, rinsed it off with warm water, and I realized that my face had some red spots. I was actually seeing red spots on my face really clearly, so I knew this mask had me too light. But I really loved it. If you guys really decide to do this mask, please let me know in the comments below.
Rewind, rewind. Hiding his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it.